up, y'all? What's happening? Today is Tuesday. Today is BOGO Tuesday, which means Buffalo Wild Wings. But aside from being BOGO Tuesday, today is valve cover and possibly an RSX part Tuesday. Ooh. But yeah, I'm heading down south today to pick up my valve cover. I'm actually heading to my sister's house to pick up her Sam's card because Sam's got premium gas for $1.99. You feel me? I need that. Run me that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna need that, dog. So, heading to my sister's place, pick up the card, head to Sam's, get my gas, then floor the gas pedal all the way to Fort Lauderdale. Then from there, dog, we just gonna see what else we get into. Maybe we can pick up some RSX part or something, dog. I don't know, dog. We gonna figure it out today, dog. What's up, boy? Yeah, buddy. Ooh. $24, boy. Let's get it home. Cinderella better keep your ass home. And I swear that parents just don't understand. Hey, you ain't gotta be old to be the man. Girl, I got a suite at the SLS. I already know you got expensive taste. Yo. Let me tell you what just happened. So I'm in Fort Lauderdale, specifically Sawgrass Mills. That's like where I'm at, meeting up with the guy that's telling me the RSX part. If you don't know by now, well, actually you do know, it's in the title. But yeah, so I'm picking up the exhaust right now from the guy, and I had to go get money. I was like, oh damn, I forgot to get money off my card. So I go by this place called Dolly's. I don't know, it's by Metropica, I guess. I don't know, that's the first word I see when I'm driving past this thing. But, dog, all the health code violations in that mother. My guy was like, sir. I'm like, what are you talking to me? I'm like, yo. It's like, you cannot enter the store without the mask. I was like, what the Look around. The damn store needs a mask. This shit nasty in here. And they didn't have an ATM, so it is what it is. Alright, so I just got the exhaust. Didn't really get to show you guys the exhaust I got. I don't know what the hell I got, honestly. Just got some piping. Lava. God damn it, Fred. But yeah, I just got everything I needed from Catback. I got a Catback exhaust. I just gotta get a test pipe. Lava. And a header. That's it. And we're good to go with an exhaust. I could probably install this on the car today, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I probably can though, but I don't know. We'll have to see. But now I'm on my way to D&H powder coating to pick up the valve cover. Then we will be finally heading back home. I gotta get the hell up out of here, boy. I ain't got no mask. I can't go in no stores. God damn. Can't do nothing in them motherfucker, bruh. Can't do nothing, bruh. Alright, made it here to D&H, boy. Got the daily out here on the rose gold. Randy, that's how the rose gold's supposed to look, dog. Sheesh. Yo, just admire the eyes, boy. God damn! Ooh, I made it back home and boo, my lord. Ice. Alright, let's put this bad boy on the Integra, man. Oof, this looks so good, doggy. Whoo. The sun went away. When the sun come back out, you gotta see the drip, boy. Nipsey would be proud, bro. Nipsey would be proud. RIP Nip, dog. With the blue, this doesn't go together. I know that. The seat's gonna be out of here soon, but that blue on that green. Oh, you guys wait. I gotta pull the car out of the garage, but oh, it even matches the. Ooh, it matches. Year bronze. They're already dirty from the last video, and this is a day later from yesterday's video. Day later. Year. Crazy, boy. This about to go stupid. This about to go stupid. Damn, that looks good. Ice. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take out the valve cover. Yes, sir. Gotta redo the gas. Hope I can warrant this gasket back out. Hopefully. Yeah, time to take off this cover and put on the ice. Oh, that's gonna look so good, dog. Bruh. Oh my God, bruh. Yeah, that. Ooh, ooh, wee. Look how icy that is, boy. God damn. That's icy right there, bro. That is icy. Bro, just the mat. Oh, let's go warranty this thing out and, ooh, push it in the sun while we got the sunlight. Yes, sir. And about my exhaust. Here it is, baby. So it's basically a catback exhaust. You know, I got the mid pipe. I think this comes, well, this connects to that, and that's the mid pipe. So I'll need a header and a test pipe, and then we could throw in this 2.5-inch exhaust, whatever it is. I might cut off that muffler though. I don't like that muffler. Cut off the muffler and put like a turn down or something. I don't know, we'll see. Got it for $100, so can't complain, baby. Can't complain. People think I'm rich. It's not the case at all. It's not. Subscribers don't mean money value, dog. I'm broke, bitch! The homie James have left me down. He sold the last valve cover like 40 minutes before I came to this. So now I gotta drive all the way to the one on the boulevard, which is like a nice 15-minute drive, to go warranty exchange this thing. Man, that's a nice Ford right there. Ooh wee. I'm more icy, boy. That more icy, old big, goddamn. So I just got back from the O'Reilly. I had to actually buy it. I guess my warranty, I don't know. Dude, I swear, O'Reilly hires like old people, like who, I don't know how the hiring process is to work at O'Reilly, but it can't be right. It just can't be right, dog. There's just no way, dog. Like, here we have valve cover gasket. Bro, so expensive. Valve covered. Alright, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Ooh, we don't need that. We need that, and we need this. Let's get it. I literally just almost had a mental breakdown. Couple reasons. Sun is going down, and I can't show you guys the iceness of the valve cover. Then somehow this happened. I guess when I was putting on my valves, my spark plug tube seals, I don't know. That's the only thing I could think of that would cause that to happen. And this just broke off my thing for that. So, yep, it's not going to plan right now, but it does look good. I didn't even tell y'all. See if you can focus. This broke off in there. So, yeah, not having a good time right now. Just not. But god damn. That looks so good, bro. That looks so good. Ugh, the blue. But this light probably making it look nasty, stupid. But when the ice hit the paint of the green, it brings the blue out. It's so beautiful. So I really wonder if I can get this fixed by like wet sanding and like polishing that out. I gotta fix that broken stud over there, and I have to fix that now. So. And then a lot of life stuff too, man. It's just, bro, when one thing hits you, it just everything just come flooding. It sucks, dog. It fucking sucks. So it is the next day. I got the car all fixed up. I replaced everything that I needed to replace, and boy, God. The sun went away, so when the sun come back out, you guys can see the ice. But yo, trust me, in person, unreal, dog. That blue on that green, I just gotta get this fixed right here. If you guys can see that like scuff mark, I gotta see if I can get buffed out or something. I don't know, it should be able to. It should be able to sand out. But yo, whew. Also gotta get this bolt fixed too, because I don't like that at all. That's trash. But other than that, It looked good. I painted my dipstick last night, my OEM one, cause that seals pretty good. Come on, son. Come on. Whew. This is so beautiful, dog. Dog, this is, oh my God. Y'all don't understand. I'm so hyped. Now I am. Yesterday I had a mental breakdown. It got worse when I turned the camera off, but I'm okay now. I'm good. Something so small that happens in threes. It always happens in threes. When something bad happens, it always happens in threes. And yesterday it was just back to back. Scuffed valve cover, broken ground, and broken bolt on the valve cover. It was just, and then like, it sucks. Doggies, doggies. Look at the eye. Oh. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Quavo would be proud, bruh. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Came to the local Staples, pick up some more manila envelopes. Bro, these things are $30, dog. $30. Because Amazon Prime isn't really Prime right now, so I had to resort to the good old Staples, boy. Good old Staples. Now, I'm gonna head to Randy's job so I can get his real opinion. He said he doesn't like, well, he didn't say he didn't like it. He says like the blue valve cover, like he's like, nah, bro, you should have did yellow. Like he likes yellow, the yellow valve cover. So I'm gonna show him in person while the sun's out beaming and see what he really thinks. I mean, Randy probably gonna say this shit look like trash, but content, right? Randy's job.
Can't pop you with, don't do that.
Really? If I show you?
Yeah.
Damn. You sure?
Yeah.
Cause Craig bitch ass. God. Well, I'll postpone Randy's reaction till later. Shit. I can't get over the fact of how beautiful that is. But guess what came in? It's not gonna focus either. Trash. Just trash. Oh yeah, you know the vibes. New air fresheners now live. Yes sir. Gotta take some product shots and hopefully fix my exhaust leak. I gotta jack up the car and see exactly where I'm leaking from, fix it, and then go for a ride, baby. And then get some UKDM taillights. And I'll be good. Okay, so got the car all jacked up and I found my exhaust leak. If you guys can see right there, if I shake the exhaust, yeah, it's time to fix this right now. Hopefully Napa's still open. I hope. Good thing I decided to start working on the Integra at 5/16 because they close. Well, I'm going to Napa to pick up a 3-inch 2-bolt flange exhaust gasket. And yeah, that's what we're about to do right now, players. Pick up this gasket, fix this exhaust leak, maybe close out the video or go for a cruise. I don't know. Let's see which works. Hi, Michael. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, man.
Where's the videos at, bruh? Why you stop uploading? Light skin stuff?
Yeah, man. I got intimidated by you, so I started watching the videos.
Oh, man, let me cut this video off, dad. Kind of bad at filming things, as you guys already know, but it's all fixed. This was way too big. It's not a 3-inch. I think I got a 2.75-inch exhaust. I don't know. Definitely not a 3-inch though. Well, maybe it is a 3-inch. I don't know. But this is a full 3-inch, and it didn't work at all. So I used the one in the game, which is 2 something? I don't know. 2 3/4, something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But it's all fixed now. Then we'll just go for a ride. I'll probably drive it over to Randy's house or whatever, and yeah, see what's up. Show him the valve cover. Hopefully he likes it. I didn't. At Randy's, finally. I'm gonna get Randy's. Oh, I'm kind of faking it because I popped the hood. I mean, I ain't see it. Oh, he ain't see it. All right, so what do you think? What y'all think?
I mean,
if you change the seat back to blue, then it will make sense.
I mean, you still won't go with the green though.
It don't, but like
The yellow.
Damn!
The yellow pop. The yellow pop.
I did like the yellow on the wheels though. I ain't gonna lie.
DNH, he killed that shit. Bro.
Yeah, he killed it. It ain't gonna go. So y'all saying, bro, even on the camera, it look. Oh, that looks so good, bro.
But I just don't like the red seat now.
Oh no, the seat. Don't worry about the seat. Just worry from like here on up, like right here. Just the green.
The yellow doesn't. The green. The blue doesn't complement the green.
It
don't look right.
I think you need a new hobby.
Why?
He just bored.
I guess exactly.
You find some shit to do, so you change the color.
Nah, that looks good,
I know the last one was messed up.
bruh. So you don't like it either?
You should go back yellow.
I don't know.
The yellow.
But everyone has the yellow, bruh.
Pop, bruh. Do something.
The
different.
yellow,
Okay,
that is different.
If you
But it
do
don't
keep
go
the blue, right? If you do keep the blue, right?
I don't see it.
You
bruh.
just gotta accessorize the bitch.
But I mean,
I'm gonna have a blue cage, but black seats though. I'm gonna do black seats. I want to have blue seats
Okay.
and a blue. I'm gonna be a blue cage painted this color.
it don't
and-
match. The
What do you
The
mean?
blue and green don't go.
Yeah, bro. Yes, it do.
Alright.
It gotta match.
It's your build. I mean, it looks good. I mean, I'm just saying. In my
Bruh,
eyes,
how?
this
Look on camera. Don't that bitch look good on camera?
It sure
It
fucking
don't
does.
pop.
What you talking about, bruh?
It don't pop.
Man, you blind. Randy be hating, dog.
You know
But
why
he's
he
right
said-
though.
but you know
The
why he
yellow
said it
do.
doesn't pop though, because that's the only thing you got blue. You can't see the whole picture. And that's what I'm saying too. I can't see the whole
Yeah, I
picture.
can't see the vision yet.
Yeah.
Cause Randy didn't like. Randy still doesn't like the wing. Randy never likes the shit.
But the one wing I actually fell in love
The Gen
with.
Gen 2.
I didn't like the picture on picture. That's pretty much it. I never liked it.
The wing, the cup bumper.
Well, you said yourself. When you
I liked it, but this is way better. This is way better. Yeah. I ain't gonna talk about my Ricer days, but dang, you don't like the blue, bruh?
I talk about it.
The blue go hard, bruh.
That is a nice blue.
It
It's
go
just that
hard,
it don't
man.
go good with the green. Yo, Kimmy.
Oh yeah.